Hello, guys. Welcome to another installment of Shaunak's Tech Studio. Today, we are gonna see how you can make a gaming intro with your Android smartphone for your gaming YouTube channel. You can also make it with your PC or laptop, alright? There are many softwares there that allow you to create professional intros. But today I'm going to show you how you can do that just with your Android smartphone. Alright, you just need to have a good logo of your channel and a template. You can download it from the internet, or if you have it for your own, or if you can make of your own, that's okay. Alright, I'm not doing voiceover, but I'm giving a good my background music. Alright, enjoy.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. My me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.